Tired of scrolling through endless, identical contacts on your Android phone? Let's dive into effortlessly decluttering your address book in under 2 minutes and make your contact list a breeze to navigate. First, locate and tap on your phone's Contacts app. It usually looks like a simple address book icon. Once the Contacts app is open, look for the 3 vertical dots, often found in the top right corner of the screen. Tap those dots. A small menu will appear. You're looking for an option that says something like Merge and Fix, Manage Contacts, or Duplicate Contacts. Tap on it. Your phone will now scan your contacts for any duplicates. Once it's done, you'll see a list of contacts it's found that are exactly the same or very similar. To clean them all up at once, tap the Merge All button. If you prefer to review each set, you can tap on individual duplicates to manually merge them one by one. You might see a confirmation prompt. Just tap Merge or Confirm to proceed. And just like that, your contact list is refreshed and significantly tidier. You've successfully streamlined your address book, saving you time and reducing any confusion caused by those pesky duplicate entries. Keep your contacts organized and get back to what matters most.